Hello, plant enthusiasts and culinary aficionados. Today we're diving into the marvelous world of the bay leaf, also known as Laurus nobilis. Bay leaves in Urdu are known as tezpata. This versatile herb is not only a staple in kitchens worldwide, but also a powerhouse of health benefit. Let's talk about the wonderful bay leaf. Known for its distinctive aroma and flavor, bay leaf is a fantastic addition to soups, stews, and sauces. But that's not all. It's also a secret weapon for your health. This little leaf packs a punch with its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, making it great for digestive health and respiratory issues. When it comes to watering, bay leaf plants enjoy a moderate drink. Aim to water them every 7 to 10 days, ensuring the soil is well drained. Speaking of soil, they thrive best in sandy or loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Spring is the ideal season to get your bay leaf plant growing. And when it comes to harvesting, you can simply pick the leaves as needed throughout the growing season. For optimal growth, place your bay leaf plant in a spot that receives full sun to partial shade, ensuring it gets about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Beyond the kitchen, bay leaf is a natural remedy for several ailments. It can help soothe digestive issues like bloating and indigestion. Its antimicrobial properties are excellent for respiratory health, helping to clear up colds and coughs. Plus, the antioxidants in bay leaf support overall immune health. Spice up your life with bay leaf, where flavor meets wellness. This versatile and aromatic herb not only enhances your culinary creations, but also supports your health in more ways than one. But why wait? Add bay leaf to your garden and enjoy its endless benefits.
Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure